Hello and welcome back. We're going to do something a little bit different today. We're going to talk about how you can install MetaMask and be able to purchase a PFP or really any MetaZoo NFT for future drops. So we'll start here with a browser open. This is just a blank browser. And the first thing that we want to do is install MetaMask. So when you go to metamask.io, there's a download for Chrome, or there should be one for whatever your browser is, and this is going to redirect you to the Chrome Web Store to add the plugin to Chrome. That takes a second, and then it will redirect you to MetaMask, where you have to agree if you want to help them with some anonymous information. And then you have two options. If you already have a crypto wallet, you can import it with your phrase. If you need a new wallet, which is probably going to be most people watching this video, you can create a new wallet. You'll need to set a password. I'll just do something quick and easy to remember for this video because I'm going to throw away this wallet when this is done. It will then send you to a video that tells you about why you should keep your recovery phrase a secret, why you shouldn't share anything, the dangers around that kind of stuff. Basically, if somebody has this, the secret words here, they can import your wallet and take your Ethereum, take your NFTs, etc. So never ever do what I'm doing right now and show anybody your secret recovery phrase. So it's going to tell you to copy this somewhere. You want to memorize it. You want to write it down on a piece of paper, store it in a few different places, because if you lose this, you're not going to be able to recover your Ethereum or your NFTs or whatnot. You need to be able to access the wallet to be able to move that around. So definitely do not lose this. If anything happens to your computer that you're using MetaMask on, you may need to use this to access the wallet from a new computer or a new device such as your mobile phone. So I'm going to copy this out somewhere else because as soon as you hit next, it's going to ask you what your recovery phrase is. So a bit of a security step to say, okay, did you actually do what we asked, right? So you then need to tell it what your security phrase was. So I jumped ahead here to getting it correct because I put it in incorrectly the first time, which is actually interesting because it does not allow you to hit the confirm button if you do not get it correct. So if we confirm that, we're all done. It'll bring you to this page here. I don't like how this looks, so I'm actually just going to use the plugin. And this is probably how you're going to interact with MetaMask in most cases, is through this browser plugin. So as you can see here, we have no Ethereum in our wallet. It's a brand new wallet. You have your address up here, which could be important if you want to move things around. So the other place that we need to go and talk about things is Opensea. So for MetaZoo, you're going to want to go to MetaZoo Games Beasties if you're interested in the PFPs, and this video is coming out just before the MetaZoo PFP cards are coming out, which you need to own a PFP to be able to purchase them. So if you come in here, you can see that there are some PFPs for sale. By default, it is sorted by low to high price, so this is probably what you're looking for if you only care to get in on that drop. Some people do care about the PFP that they're going to buy, and you can search through these, or you can filter by different traits as well if you want to look for certain beasties or traits on those beasties. Let's just take a look at this Cumberland Dragon to start. And we can see that it is 0.07 Ethereum, so you will need Ethereum to buy it from Opensea. You'll connect your wallet, which it might have you do some things like signing it to grant access. So after you do that, MetaMask will complain, obviously, that you don't have any Ethereum, but you don't necessarily need it. So one of the things you can do is you can add it to cart, and you can pay with a credit card. You will have a bit of a premium for doing that, but at the same time, if you're only loading in Ethereum for one PFP, you're going to be charged gas fees, and there's going to be a bit of a premium to that. So my recommendation is that if you're only going to buy a single PFP, do it with credit or debit card and let that go through. I do recommend debit card because some credit card companies will charge extra for crypto exchanges. If you want to buy multiple, if you really want to get in on the drop, I would recommend doing it with crypto, and that's because you're going to be able to buy a bunch all at once. You're going to be able to consolidate that gas fee, and then you can add a bunch to the cart in Opensea and pay for them all at once with the crypto as well. So to load money into your crypto wallet, into MetaMask, you open up the plugin, you go to Ethereum, which you have none, and then you click buy, and there's a couple different ways to buy Ethereum. You can use Coinbase Pay, Transact, MoonPay, Wire, or directly deposit ETH if you have it somewhere else. Typically in the past, I've used MoonPay. It connects to your bank account, so you can easily wire some money in there. You can also use a debit card. It takes about 10 minutes or so to get the money that you're requesting. So if we continue to MoonPay, it will bring you here and you say how much you want to purchase. So you can do that either by specifying how much USD you want to use or any other currency that they allow here. Or you can do it by Ethereum. And if you're knowing how much you want to buy in Ethereum, this is going to be the easier way. So we might say, okay, we know that the BCs are around 0.1 ETH. So we're going to do 0.1 ETH. And then the summary is you're going to get 0.1 ETH, which is worth about $132.81. You'll have to create an account with MoonPay. There will be some fees on top of that, some gas fees. So you'll end up getting a little bit less ETH than what you're requesting. So definitely be aware of that when you are making a purchase of ETH. So at that point, once you decide how you want to purchase with the credit card or with Ethereum, you would come back to Opensea and you would complete the purchase here. And I'm just going to switch over to Opensea on my main account. This is the Cryptid Nation news account. And as soon as you're done purchasing it, if you go to your profile, which is click on your icon at the top, go to profile, you can see all of the NFTs you own, and you will be able to see the PFP in your wallet. So now that you have your PFP, you're all set to participate in the drop on MetaZoo Marketplace. So if we go over to MetaZoo Marketplace, what you're going to look for would be the PFP card set drop. And in this case, it's not ready yet at the time of this video, but we do have two other NFT products that I can order with my NFTs right now. These would be with the token NFTs, not the PFPs, but it's going to work the same exact way, so we'll walk through it. So when you get to the product page, you will see all the information for the product, but you will see something a little different instead of checkout or add to cart. You're going to see your wallet address, and you're going to see apply discount. So in this case, if you want to purchase it, you would hit apply discount. But something that's interesting with how this works is if you can redeem multiple per token or per PFP for the PFP drop, you can redeem 2 boxes per PFP. You want to make sure you up that quantity before you hit apply discount. So if you want to purchase 2, you would then up the quantity to 2 and then hit apply discount. At that point, it will bring up a list of all of your eligible NFTs that you can use for that purchase. If you were to put in 3 and hit add, you will get an error. In this case, 2 is allowed for my tokens. So if I hit add, you're going to see this celebration confetti, and it's actually up in my cart. And for the way they do some of the token drops, they do a ridiculous amount of money for the product. And you get a huge discount when you actually do checkout with NFTs. So even though it says $20,000, it's going to be much less. It's going to be $200 once I hit checkout with NFTs. I don't know if they're going to do that for the PFPs, but don't freak out if you see an enormous price on the PFP card boxes, because the checkout process might greatly reduce that by 99%, say, which is what they do in most cases, so that people don't jump on the MetaZoo Marketplace and buy them without NFTs. So if we were to do checkout with NFTs, most of the left side of the screen has been taken off because it has my address and some credit card information, all that kind of stuff. But you can see that the discount is applied over on the right-hand side. So the 2 boxes of the Christmas ornaments is $200 plus shipping. So there you have it. There's a very quick introduction on how to install MetaMask, possibly how to load some Ethereum into it, or pay with your credit card or debit card to get a PFP, as well as how to connect your wallet to the MetaZoo Marketplace to prove that you are eligible to purchase the product on release day. And this applies to not only the PFP drop that's about to happen, but anything that the token NFTs are also used for, as I showed in this video. If you have any questions or if something wasn't clear, feel free to leave a comment below and I will do my best to help you out. Now for the PFP card drop this weekend, if that's the reason you're here, those will be 2 boxes per PFP, so you only need to buy 1 PFP if you want to buy 2 boxes. They're going to be $100 per box. There's going to be 60 cards in the box, and you're going to have rare chases in there for 1 of 1s, 1 of 10s, 1 of 25s, 1 of 100s. There's going to be multiple different holo patterns. There's going to be redemption cards for Seance and UFO PFPs. The boxes are also going to contain tokens that are representations of the NFT tokens. So you're going to actually see all 10 varieties, from the Silver Party token all the way up to the double-stamped Gold Mothman token. These are going to be on high-quality cardstock similar to Topps Chrome, so the quality of this product is going to probably be the most premium product that MetaZoo has put out. So if you are participating in that drop, good luck getting what you're looking for, and I'll catch you in the next one.